Okay, so last week we talked about the traditional building character overlay, aka TBC overlay. This week I want to cover off its cousin, the dwelling house character overlay, aka DHC. Now, everyone is forever getting these two overlays mixed up, and I can totally understand why. They both have the word character in them, and everyone always freaks out when they see dwelling house character. I'm like, guys, it doesn't mean character like you think it means character. So I understand out there in the general public, the word character tends to invoke ideas of like traditional, pre-47, old, cutesy kind of emotions or connotations, let's just say. However, in the town planning world, character does not mean those things. Character means vibes, feel. So when it says traditional building character, what it means is pre-1947 housey vibes. And when it says dwelling house character, what it means there is like resi scale or housey scale vibes. So the TBC code focuses on like pitched roof forms, lightweight materials, all that stuff we discussed last week. The dwelling house character codes focus more on the height of the structures, like making sure you don't exceed 2 stories in height, 9.5 meters in height, etc., etc. The use of the structures, so making sure granny flats, aka secondary dwellings, don't exceed 80 square meters in terms of internal floor area, all of that sort of stuff. So yes, the two overlays have very similar names because they both have that word character in it. But the main message I want to get across today is character in the common everyday type sense is not the same as character in the town planning sense. And you need to mentally substitute the word character for vibes, man, or feel. And then you'll understand what council's trying to achieve. Like I said, traditional pre-47 vibes or housey scale vibes. That's the two different purposes between the codes. So yeah, if you see the DHC one pop up on your property, don't freak out. It doesn't mean the house is protected and all of that sort of stuff. You can actually take a breath and just go, oh, it just means housey vibes. I think that covers off everything I want to talk about today. As I always like to say, until next time, thanks for watching.
For all you red tape lovers out there, I have one thing to say. Well, no, actually, I've got 3. Number 1, the advice provided in these videos is general in nature. It's not site-specific. You would be a silly Billy to go and make financial decisions based on this advice without first checking with the town planner. Don't be a silly Billy. Number 2, Brisbane town planning is in no way linked to Brisbane City Council. The views expressed in these videos are my own, not council's. So if you don't like them, blame me, not council. Number 3, what was my number 3? Oh yeah, the views expressed in these videos are accurate at the time of recording. If you're watching this video back 10 years from now, the views may not be so accurate. That's all.